you've got your website maybe built with Cursor or Bolt, Lovable, but you're not quite happy with the design, but you don't actually know how to fix it. So here we got this local business site and we want to spruce it up a bit. Like I said, I'm not a designer. How am I going to know what to actually change? Yeah, I could ask Cursor, but that can end in a bit of a never-ending cycle of weird changes. So let's try and tailor AI to give us some good feedback. And what we're going to want to use is AI's visual capabilities. So we're going to take this screenshot and then upload it to Claude with a prompt, and that prompt is in the description and it's going to give you some nice actionable feedback that then you can give to your AI code editor. So let's grab this screenshot here and then paste it in. And then I'll paste in the prompt as well. Cool, so I'll paste that in and then we can run through it quick. So I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but essentially we're asking the AI to be an expert UI designer, and we've given it some categories that we want to get feedback on. And these categories are based from Refactoring UI, which is a good UI book, which kind of covers some of the fundamentals of UI design. So do check that out, really good book there. But I looked at a few main areas: hierarchy and visual weight, layout and spacing, typography, color usage, and a couple of other things. And what I also wanted in this prompt, I didn't want it to give back a bunch of code changes like I'll change this font size from 12 to 16 pixels, because that's not always going to be actionable. It's going to get it wrong. So with this, it tries to keep a bit more design focused, a bit more on spacing, fonts, weight, and hierarchy, with the end goal to give some impactful changes to make. So what have we got here? Unify call to action buttons, get a quote or get free quote, add subtle depth to cards. Yep, they're looking a bit flat there. Increase section spacing. So we can give these to Cursor and make the changes super quick there without going around in crazy circles with some weird design improvements it thinks it should make. Cool, so hopefully next time you're a bit stuck with how to make your site look a bit better, this can help. I've used this quite a few times in the past, and it also works well because it gets another pair of eyes on it, which is always helpful, because sometimes when you're staring at a screen, you kind of get a bit lost in it and you can't actually see what the problem is. Cool, if you like this video, check out some of my other videos. I've got some other things on going from design to Cursor and some little tricks and tips around that. And do subscribe. We're past 100 subs now, which is a nice milestone for someone who's new to the YouTube game. So yeah, all the best.